Hi kids, welcome to the Bunnell Beach Club. Today we're going to be learning about how to trim your own pygmy trees, say $50 a tree. I saw the landscapers doing this and I was like, why don't I just get a chainsaw and do it myself? So here we are. I'm going to show you. It's really easy. You can get a super inexpensive, the electric Ryobi one I have, I think it's like $180. I got a fancy gas one that was like $152 or something like that. But you really don't need anything fancy because these are really easy to trim. But you can do it really quick yourself. It just makes a huge mess. So you want to blow as well. But I put a tarp over the hibiscus over here to kind of try and keep some of the stuff out of them. But let's see how this goes. So super easy. I just go work from the bottom, work my way up. Don't show this to your landscaper because then they're gonna get upset. You won't be paying him anymore to do this. I literally asked them how much per pygmy tree. They said $50. So 50, 100, 250 bucks to do 4 trees. Watch how fast this is. My other new tool.